Hello, everybody. My name is Marjean Holden, and I am here with
Bonnie Silver, hi.
yes, and we are here to talk money mastery because we are so excited that April 5th, in just a short time, we're going to be in Rapid City, South Dakota, delivering the money mastery workshop. Now, Bonnie, what is this money mastery all about?
Well, let's see. Uh, how many people can say that uh, they're where they want to be in their financial status? How many people want more, feel that they need more? Maybe they want to buy a house. Maybe they need more money to plan their wedding. I mean, we don't know what anyone's needs or desires are, but what we know is a lot of people are still stuck in money fears.
Deep so that we can move some of those blocks out of the way so that you can thrive, so that you have a new mindset, a new thought process around, oh, okay. Because once we can move you where out of whatever space you're currently in, which is not good, bad, wrong, right, it doesn't matter. It's just where you're at. And if you have a desire for more, if you have a desire to learn, to grow, and to expand, that's what we are so great at doing.
Well, I just hearing you talk, it takes me back to where I learned about money. So my mom was a single mom
Right.
and we bought stuff on layaway and it was a scarcity mindset. We didn't, I mean, going to Taco
Yeah.
Bell
Yeah.
was a treat. And
Yeah.
and so I carried those belief systems and how money was dealt with for many years until I started working on myself and I invested in myself and
Yeah.
you know training such as this to help me shift my
Right.
perspective to learn what I've needed to learn to get to where I want. My dream, acreage, dream house,
Right.
dream husband, dream everything. So
Dream everything.
it's a process. And I'm just excited to share that with people and help them get to achieving all their dreams. We all deserve it.
Absolutely. So, Money Mastery, April 5th in South Dakota, in Rapid City, South Dakota. We will see you there. You can get all of the information on Bonnie's website.
We're here to help support you achieve your
We are
dream.
here to have you achieve your dreams.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody. We'll see you in
Bye.
April.
Thank you.